website, the website was called thispersondoesnotexist.com. If you go to this website, when you get on it, a face will come up. If you refresh it, another face will come up, and it'll do that all day long. And the great thing about this is none of the faces, these are not real people. These are faces that were constructed by a program. So if you did a search on them in a facial database, they wouldn't show up. It's a really neat trick. So it's an interesting technology. It's already a well-established technology to do that kind of forgeries. But forgeries are going to matter. They're very important. So I just want to, in a little time, I want to show you this video.
Look at this video from Saturday Night Live that someone altered and posted on YouTube.
I'm sorry, Lester. This is going so well.
On the left, Kate McKinnon as Hillary Clinton. On the right, Clinton's face digitally inserted. They did the same trick with Vladimir Putin. People can now buy software and doctor video at home to create what's called deep fakes. At Carnegie Mellon University, Professor Alan Black specializes in speech synthesis. He shows us how it works with an audio clock. He has me read some times.
The time is now almost 12.
And then plugs my voice sample into a synthesizer. He's able to have me say whatever he types.
The time is now exactly 3 in the morning.
Okay. I didn't say that.
So?
Yes, exactly. So that is the point. I mean, here you showed you with just a few seconds of recording of this guy's voice, he could have the guy reproduce saying anything he wanted. Now, in the thing that they showed with Kate McKinnon, they were using her as a puppet master. So the technique allows somebody to, whatever movements they're doing in their face to be mapped on to the expressions of the face of another person. So I could have somebody basically sitting anywhere I want, saying anything I want, and it'll sound very credible to most people. It would take a forensic expert to really see the difference. And these kinds of tools, they already exist, but they're becoming cheap. And pretty soon you'll be able to buy them and use them at home for almost nothing. There are already tools like this, some kind of tools in this area available.